In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Instagram Reel to your Facebook business page. We're going to do this using Meta Business Suite, which is Meta's central dashboard for managing both Facebook and Instagram in one place. This method is great because it lets you post your Reel to Instagram and your Facebook page at the same time with the same video and caption, saving you a lot of effort. First, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account that manages your Facebook business page and Instagram profile. If you manage multiple pages, check that the correct business page is selected at the top. You want to see the page where you want the reel to appear. Once Meta Business Suite is open and you're on the right page, look for the option that says Create Reel. This is usually on the main home or content dashboard area. Go ahead and click Create Reel to open the Reels Composer. Inside the Reels Composer, you'll see a section that says Post To with a drop-down or a list of destinations. Click on that drop-down. Here, you'll see your Facebook page and your connected Instagram account. Make sure that both Facebook and Instagram are checked. This is the key step that ensures the Reel will be published to your Instagram profile and your Facebook business page at the same time. Next, you need to add your video. Click on Add Video, then browse your device and select the Reel file you want to share. This should be the same vertical video you would normally upload to Instagram. Give it a moment to upload and process. After the video is loaded, click into the text field where you can add your caption. Type in your caption, including any relevant hashtags, mentions, or calls to action you want. Keep in mind that this caption will appear on both Instagram and Facebook, so write something that makes sense for both audiences. When you're happy with the video and caption, click on Next. This will take you to the final editing and review stage. Here, you can double check your settings, confirm that both Instagram and Facebook are still selected, and review any final options like scheduling, if that's available to you. Once everything looks good, click on the button to share or publish. Because you chose to post to both Instagram and Facebook earlier, your Reel will now be published on your Instagram account and on your Facebook business page at the same time.